JM20 Citrus Juicer by JuiceMatic. Before cleaning, disconnect the machine from the power supply, pulling on the plug, not the lead cord. Remove the front guard by unscrewing the left and right plastic wing nuts 3 full turns. Pull out on the bottom of the guard and lift up over the top 2 retaining stainless steel studs holding the guard on. Remove the knife assembly by pulling outward. The knife is sharp, so use caution when removing and cleaning. Remove the left and right peel ejector by sliding upwards out of the mounting brackets. The ejectors are not interchangeable. Unscrew the plastic wing nut on the 4 main pressing rollers. Remove the left side pressing rollers together as a unit. Then, remove the right side pressing rollers together as a unit. The pressing rollers line up with one another and will not come off the machine separately. When removing, handle these parts with care. If dropped on a hard floor surface, it could damage the rollers. To reassemble your JM20, you take the reservoir and put it on the counter or cart. Then take the reservoir lid. You'll see the hole. That is where you will place the spout. So your next step will be to take the tray and fit the spout right into the hole on top of the reservoir lid. When reassembling the squeezing units, the upper rollers fit on the square axles and the lower rollers fit on the triangular axles. Insert them into the machine as a left hand and right hand pair. Lock into place by inserting the 4 knobs. Handling carefully, your next step is to place the knife support bracket with the knife facing up. After that, you'll begin inserting the peel ejectors. When installed properly, the finger part of the ejector is engaged in the lower squeezing unit. If you haven't already assembled with the wing nuts, get those now and twist those onto the squeezing units, the upper and lower rollers. Replace the clear guard, tightening the left and right plastic knobs so the guard is in place properly. If not in place properly, the machine will not operate as the safety switch on top is not engaged. Make sure that you put it above the safety switch and push down. Next, insert the strainer tray. During the juicing process, the strainer tray can be removed and easily dump any pulp and seeds that have accumulated in the tray. You are now ready to begin juicing again. Press the button and you can start making fresh squeezed orange juice with the JM20.